when it comes to mobile windshield replacement in Orange County, Los Angeles, and surrounding areas. No company commands more respect than Mobile Safe Autoglass. Wondering why you should choose us for your windshield chip or crack repair? Here's the deal. Our highly skilled technicians come to you, no need to drive to a shop. Whether it's morning, noon, or night, we're available 24/7 to ensure your convenience and peace of mind. But that's not all. With Mobile Safe Autoglass, you're covered by a lifetime warranty on all water and air leaks. And with our unbeatable pricing, it's clear Mobile Safe Autoglass is the top choice for your auto glass needs.